Hello, welcome to IT Career Tracks videos. So today I'm going to talk about what are the different career options in there in IT field and what are the different types of jobs you have to deal with. Now IT, as most of you know, is one of the booming fields in going to be in this century. So there will be a lot of jobs which provide not only good money but also it could provide good career satisfaction and career growth. So if you are thinking about getting into IT field but not sure what sort of the IT career options are there, or if you're just sort of trying to explore different career options, some are IT, some are non-IT, and trying to know whether IT is a good career options for you, or if you're already working in the IT field and want to maybe change jobs or want to see what are the different things you can do within IT. So this is sort of a video which would give you a good overview of different IT fields and see what type of whether you can fit in. So now having said that, there are different ways you can categorize the career options. One is type of company. The second one probably is type of technologies. And this sort of oops, technologies, okay, I think you get the idea. And these sort of involve, type of technologies slash type of jobs or job types. So let's take the type of company. So there are essentially two types of IT companies. One is products, another is services. So the product companies are like Microsoft, Oracle, Google, Facebook. So they build products and then they sell it to enterprises or to consumers. Now, just like Microsoft or maybe Oracle, which makes database, and they go and sell it to the companies or the enterprises. Now you can argue that Google doesn't, why Google is a product company? They don't sell me anything. Well, Google, the fact that you go to Google and you're exposed to their searches and which comes with ads, and then if you see the ads, they make money. So you are indirectly buying products from Google. You can think that way. Now the services are which provides the IT services to other companies or individuals. So for example, the companies like Accenture or Infosys of India, they provide the software engineering talent, the manpower, or the project managers to the other companies, which and these people in turn go and build the software for them based on their requirement. So this is sort of that's the way services work. Now there is a third category you can think, which is sort of called something called in-house. Oops, there is an extra line. Let me remove that. Okay, I'll let it go. So in-house IT. So in-house IT. What is in-house IT is let's say all big companies. For example, let's take a company like Goldman Sachs, which is a financial firm, or maybe a manufacturing company like GE. Each of these companies has bigger or smaller has a lot of internal softwares applications which are used to run the company's critical businesses. For example, if you are any company would need accounting. Now accounting is not done in pen and paper. All the accountings are used now, using computers, and people make data entries. So these are critical systems, and each company needs a set of people within their company to manage these systems, maintain it. So those people or that group is sometimes called in-house IT, or could be just called IT department of a company, or maybe MIS. So these are they do a little bit of both. They build sometimes the products, and also they provide the services which are needed by their other departments of the company. So these are mainly three types of companies you can work for. Now then there is second category, which is the types of technologies. Now this is also related with types of jobs. Let's say job types plus maybe technology. Okay, I think my spelling of technology is wrong, but I think you get the idea. Okay, let me clear this side. So we were talking about different types of IT jobs. So now there is main two different types. One is programming, another is okay, I think there are more than two, so let me just write down. So one is programming, which is like development of software. The second is QA. Third is designer, like UI designer. And fourth is administration, system administration. So you can say sys. So these are mostly all these four different types of jobs involve some sort of dealing with technology, programming. Then there is another. Okay, let me write engineering. Then there is another category. Okay, that's called, you can think, product management. I'll call it PM. So under PM, or this is called, so this is called engineering, and you can call this is sort of non-engineering. I think that's a better way, generic name. So I'm writing ENGG for non-engineering. And here you can have a product management, project manager. So essentially there are now two types of jobs. One is engineering, another is non-engineering. So under engineering you have programming or software development. So again, there are different terms associated with it: programming, development, you can say software engineering. So essentially where, and this is sort of the bulk of the work, where a person develops the software, and also bulk of the jobs are also in this category. So here you pretty much person develops the software or writes codes. Now there are different levels of that. So a junior person would be probably writing programs in C or writing SQL. If you get senior, you can become an architect if you want to stay in the close to the technology, or you can become a lead developer or a team lead. And then slowly, as you move up in the career ladder, you can become a VP of engineering or CTO, VP of engineering, CTO. So essentially you start with an entry level junior programmer, where you write pretty much code most of 8 hours a day or more, and then slowly move up. Now the QA is called quality assurance. The quality assurance is one of the important tasks in the IT field, because you want to build software which which performs well. So QA is a very important field. Um, so let me close the video now. We'll continue on from the next lesson.